Google Translate used to automatically translate this page. Since it doesn't do that anymore, what I'm going to show you step by step how you're able to upload a file and be able to share that file via a unique link, whether it's inside your WeChat app or you can even do it via an email or text message, no matter where you are in this world. Hey guys, this is Faye from Feisworld Media. After I released these two videos about how to navigate Weiyun, I received a lot of requests and questions around the fact that if I could record the same thing, but for the desktop or browser version. So here I am showing you how to do that. What you need to do is open up a browser, and I haven't tested all of them, but I'm currently running in Chrome. I've also done it in Safari. I think it works fine. You're going to type in Weiyun.com. And if you're new here, by the way, Weiyun is kind of the sister company of Wechat, what Chinese people use to do everything pretty much, paying for things, chat with each other, even starting up websites and official accounts. So what you're going to do here is look to the right-hand side. If you have a QQ login, that works too. But I'm going to click on the second tab here, WeChat login. And as you can see, it says scan QR code in WeChat to log in. If you don't have scan QR code, you might want to watch my other video on the basics of WeChat. So let's scan this and get right in there. And beyond that, I'm going to show you there's a way to translate sites, basically any sites from Chinese or into a language that you do recognize. So let's go ahead and scan this, and this will log me right in. It will ask me to confirm that I want to log in, but once that's done, I am in. It takes a moment. All right, there are a lot of ads. When you see that, what you can do, just, pop up ads and just do that. And so by default, you only get 10 gigabytes of space. So just to keep that in mind, in order for you to get more, you could upgrade to a VIP version. I'm going to show you guys how to do that real quick in a moment, but you will have to be able to pay using WeChat, which is a complicated matter. Google Translate used to automatically translate this page. Since it doesn't do that anymore, what I'm going to show you step by step how you're able to upload a file and be able to share that file via a unique link, whether it's inside your WeChat app or you can even do it via an email or text message, no matter where you are in this world. So when you get started, what you're going to do is click on this icon right here. It looks like a file. What it means in Chinese is all files. Whereas underneath here, you're going to see, if you click on them, these are files. So any Word documents, PDFs, and here you probably guess it with this icon. These are images, JPEGs, TIFF, PNGs. Down here, these are videos, right? Movies, MP4s. And lastly, this category is music. So MP3s and WAV files. So let's go back to all at the very beginning. And from here, you can do quite a number of things. This icon at the top here allows you to create a new folder. So if that's required or necessary, what you want to do is click on this icon and create a new folder. I'm just going to call it test right now. And yes, you can use English to name your folders. And from here, if you created a folder, you want to click in it. So I'm going to click inside. It will probably take a moment to load, like so. Now from here, what I can do is click on this blue button here and choose to either upload a file or I can upload an entire folder. So that's a difference, file versus folder. So here I'm just going to upload a file. Once I click on that, I have the choice. I'm going to go to my download folder right here. So you can see the list of files I'm able to basically upload. Again, it could be an image here, could be a short video there. And let me open that so you can see. And by the way, because I am a VIP or SVIP member, my upload speed is higher. And that's it. When a file is uploaded, you're able to see the file right here. And what you can do from there is you can check it or you can right click on it. The option's the same. So again, let's just click. And here you can click on share. So this icon's pretty universal when it comes to share. That's the one that I would say most people use. So click on that. Now you have the option to grab this link. And this is a unique link right here. And this blue button means copy. You can also add a password by clicking on this link right here. Click on a password, whoops, if you made a mistake, you don't want a password, then simply click on this gray Chinese text here. It's called the cancel password. But once you click on this link right here, as I just did, it's going to open up a file. It's going to open up a link where you're able to download the file right here. So if you don't believe me, I'm going to use an incognito window, just like so. So this is an incognito. It doesn't require any login or anything like that. I can just hit download like this. But before you can download, here's what you got to do. You recognize this window, and in order to save it or open up with your WeChat, you're going to click on WeChat, which is this tab, and just scan the QR code. Then you're able to access the file, download it. And you may be wondering, what else can I do? Well, you can also click on this blue button here. Same thing, second tab, log into your WeChat account. You're able to save it to your Weixin account right on your WeChat or on your mobile phone. Now, another option, another thing you may be worried about is, okay, now I have this, and what do I do to actually share it to an email, or do I save it to my computer? In a separate video, I show you exactly how to do that, how to basically save a file. It could be a Word document, a PDF, right from your phone, from your WeChat app onto your computer, or you can email it directly from there too. Furthermore, from here, you also have a few options you may or may not be using regularly. Number one is to move this file to another location or folder. Second is to rename. Third is that you can create a shared folder or shared team, and then you can basically bring a lot of files into the shared space, and you can share that whole space or whole folder with someone else. What you noticed just now was, why was all files showing me one of them? I think it's a cache issue. So whenever you see something weird or wonky going on, just hit refresh on your browser and you should be able to find all your files where you just uploaded. I personally encourage you to create folders for each one of your events, your projects, just like what I'm doing here. And the reason is, otherwise all your files going to be dropped right here in this kind of homepage. On this homepage, it could be a little messy. And another way, similar to Google Drive, is that you're able to create this as a list view, upper right-hand corner, or you can use this folder view. And that's it. If you guys have any other questions, please let me know, and I'll be willing to answer them for you. I'll see you in the next video.